let the games begin. And to be clear, these instructions are deliberately brief. And that's because we want to practice what we preach. Because if I came in here with some massive thing, one, many of you wouldn't even go through it. But the thing is if I'm telling you that you can crowdsource the answers, it would be kind of silly of me to not practice that. And so that is what we are doing deliberately with this. Because I would prefer that you learn by doing, not watching a zillion videos. Because that is where you will actually change your behavior. And so if you've consumed any of my content, you learn by changing behavior in a new condition. So if you've been in the same space for a very long period of time and you keep doing the same stuff, you have learned nothing. So if you watch these videos and then you decide to take action, you have already begun learning by taking action inside of school. And so one of the nice things with how we're organizing the games is that instead of the winners hoarding everything, the winners will share the lessons every single month. And so we'll be dropping the lessons and the recordings from the top 10 people who grow the most every month so you can know what's working right now. Because let's be honest, the tactics, the day-to-day things are always going to change. And so within the Skool Games, you're always going to have the most up-to-date stuff that's working right now. The only way to actually lose the games is to quit. And the best part is that because of the way that we're structuring the games, you have a new chance to win every single month. And so even if the first month you don't make money, but you get a couple people in your community, awesome. And the next month you get a few more people in and you watch the recordings from some of the winners. And then you keep implementing and keep implementing. Maybe it's your third month or your fourth month. And then by your fifth month, you're like, I think I can win this month. And then you win. Because business is a game of endurance. It's not a sprint. You don't win at business. The point of business is to keep the business going. It's to stay in business. And we're organizing the Skool Games to that end. In the spirit of this video, let the games begin.